Simulan na po natin yung small town lottery draw. Draw number 3,226, July 19, 2024, araw po ng Biyernes. Good luck, still players, and numbers by small town lottery, Muntinlupa City, the 4 p.m. draw.
Welcome to Philippine Christian System. Philippine Christian Service Officer. Vice. Wala kang tayo, wala kang panalo. $20.
First winning number is number 25. 25. Alam niyo po naman natin, ang susunod na
Pasko.
winning number.
$36 na naman.
Second winning number is number 36. The winning combination
Napakasipag.
2024, Friday, 4 p.m. draw, 25 and 36.
25, 36.